So I'm making a super good vegetable salad. So for this we'll need, as you can see here, potatoes and carrots, and we'll need some sweet peas. Okay, this is my iPad because I'm watching a movie on Netflix, a Christmas movie, and some pickles. And I'll show you the rest of the ingredients later, but for now you can start cutting your pickles. The potatoes and the carrots are boiled, and I'm gonna let them cool down for a few minutes. I'm gonna drain the water and let them cool down, and I'm gonna cut them. Meanwhile, I have finished cutting the pickles. You can add more if you want to. I like to use a strainer because sometimes they're juicier, so the strainer helps me releasing all that juice. I have cut the carrots, and now here I have my potatoes. I have used about 3 very large carrots and about 7 to 8 potatoes, medium-sized potatoes. So everything is chopped up. I added the peas too. I'm gonna give everything a quick stir. And then I'm gonna add some salt. Some salt. You can add some more later if you want to. Some black pepper. Some mustard. I have this German mustard, which is very good. It's not too sweet, it's not too spicy. Alright, that's enough for now. And some mayonnaise. You can use vegan mayonnaise if you want, or regular mayonnaise, but I'm gonna keep this recipe vegan for now. If you want to, you can add some chicken, finely chopped chicken breast at this point, but I want to keep it vegan, so no chicken for us. Alright, that's enough for now. We can always add some more later. Now I'm gonna stir everything. Everything is well combined, and I'm gonna taste it now to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. It's really good. I think this is just perfect, but it doesn't need anything else. I'm gonna put it in a different bowl and show you how it looks like. So I have 2 bowls of salad. This is the big one, and this is the small one. So I'm planning to decorate them. So I have added the leftover of my mayonnaise in this bag, and I've made a knot here, and now I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna cut one corner just a little bit, just like so, and decorate it. can be creative. Well, I'm not very good at decorating things. That's the best I could do. This is the other one. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and see you again soon. Bye!